In the last 5 decades, technology has advanced very quickly, and many inventions have completely transformed the way we live, work, and communicate. One of the most important inventions is the internet. Although it started as a scientific project, today it connects billions of people around the world. We use the internet to study, work, communicate, buy products, and access information instantly. Thanks to the internet, distance is no longer a big barrier, and knowledge is available to almost everyone. Another invention that changed the world is the smartphone. Smartphones combine many tools in one device: phone, phone calls, camera, internet, GPS, and social media. Today, smartphones are used for communication, education, entertainment, and even work. For many people, the smartphone is an essential part of daily life. Social media platforms are also very important inventions. They have changed 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 how we interact with others, how news is shared, and how opinions are expressed. Social media allows people to connect globally, promote business, share ideas, and raise awareness about social issues. As president, even for one day, I would push for transparent investment in infrastructure, public services, and youth programs in Santa Marta and the entire Caribbean region. I will make sure that resources are actually used to improve people's quality of life, not lost due to corruption. Another important action would be to strengthen employment opportunities for young people. Many young Colombians have talent and motivation, but they don't have access to real opportunities. I will promote programs that connect education with work, internships, and enterprises. Finally, I would send a clear message. Public power must serve the people, not personal interest. Being president, even for one day, would mean acting with responsibility, honesty, and empathy. In conclusion, I, if I were president of my country for one day, I would focus on education, regional development, especially in Santa Marta, and creating real opportunities for young people. Thanks.